Have you ever looked into the toilet and noticed that your urine is unusually foamy? You may immediately think something is wrong with your kidneys. But here is the important point. Foamy urine does not always mean kidney disease. Sometimes it is completely harmless, but in some situations it can be an important warning sign. So, in this video, I will explain 8 common causes of foamy urine, and I will help you understand when it may be normal and when it may need medical attention. Foamy urine means that bubbles or foam appear on the surface of the urine. Occasional bubbles can happen to almost anyone, especially when urine hits the toilet water with force. However, persistent or thick foam can sometimes happen because the urine contains substances that change its surface tension. The most important substance is protein, and this is where the kidneys become important. Your kidneys normally filter your blood, while keeping important proteins inside your bloodstream. When the kidney filters are damaged, protein can leak into the urine. This condition is called proteinuria, and it can sometimes cause persistent foamy urine. Now let us discuss the 8 important causes. The first cause is concentrated urine. When you do not drink enough fluid, your urine becomes more concentrated. Concentrated urine can produce more bubbles when it enters the toilet. This is usually temporary, and it does not necessarily indicate kidney disease. The second cause is forceful urination. If your bladder is very full, you may pass urine with a strong stream. When that urine hits the toilet water, it can create many bubbles. This is similar to pouring water quickly into a glass. The bubbles may disappear quickly, and this alone is usually not a sign of disease. The third cause is protein in the urine. This is one of the most important causes of persistent foamy urine. Protein normally stays in the blood because the kidney filters prevent most proteins from passing into urine. When these filters become damaged, protein can leak through. The greater the amount of protein, the more likely the urine may appear persistently foamy. Protein in urine can occur with diabetes, high blood pressure, inflammation of the kidney filters, and several other kidney diseases. The fourth cause is urinary tract infection. A urinary tract infection can change the composition of urine. It may also cause pus cells and other substances to appear in the urine. Some people with infection may notice cloudy or unusual-looking urine, and occasionally it may appear more bubbly or foamy. Usually there are other symptoms as well, such as burning while passing urine, frequent urination, urgency, or lower abdominal discomfort. The fifth cause is semen in the urine. This can sometimes happen in men after ejaculation. A small amount of semen may remain inside the urinary passage and then mix with urine during the next urination. Because semen contains proteins and other substances, the urine may temporarily look cloudy or foamy. This is usually harmless when it happens occasionally. The sixth cause is certain substances in the toilet. Sometimes the foam is not actually coming from the urine. Cleaning products inside the toilet can interact with urine and create bubbles or foam. This can make it appear that something is wrong with your urine, when the actual cause is simply the toilet itself. The seventh cause is pregnancy or other temporary changes in the body. During pregnancy, the kidneys filter more blood than usual, and small amounts of protein may sometimes appear temporarily in urine. However, significant or persistent protein in pregnancy should never simply be ignored because it can sometimes be associated with high blood pressure and pregnancy-related kidney problems. The eighth cause is kidney disease. Several kidney diseases can damage the filtering units of the kidneys. These filtering units are called glomeruli. When they become damaged, protein can leak into urine, and persistent foamy urine may be one of the visible clues. Kidney disease can occur because of diabetes, high blood pressure, inflammation, autoimmune diseases, inherited kidney conditions, and several other causes. The important thing to remember is that the appearance of urine alone cannot tell you how much protein is present or whether your kidneys are damaged. So do not panic simply because you notice foam. Occasional bubbles are very common, but if the foam is persistent, especially if it is becoming more frequent, it deserves proper evaluation. So the key message is simple. Foamy urine does not always mean kidney disease, but persistent foamy urine should not be ignored. The most important cause to consider is protein in the urine, and this can be checked with simple urine tests. If this video helped you understand foamy urine, please like the video, subscribe to Kidney Focus for weekly education about kidney, urinary bladder, and prostate diseases, and if you have questions about foamy urine, write them in the comments. You can also tell me which kidney topic you want me to explain next. If you want to know which tests are used to investigate foamy urine, or you want to know how foamy urine caused by protein can be treated, write test or treatment in the comments, and I will cover it in a future video. Thank you for watching.